Good morning, Kalispell. I hope everybody is doing fantastic here today. So today we're going to talk about ways to de-stress. Last week on one of my lives, we talked about how this is known as heart attack season. So today I'm going to give you some actual actionable things you can do to help reduce stress when you are feeling a little bit wound up. So number one, of course, come in, get adjusted. So if you are super stressed out, there's a number of things that go on with our neurology which contribute to our downfall, actually. But one of the biggest things that we've seen is, if you need it, getting your top neck bone adjusted, which has also been shown through a bunch of research that it also actually helps reduce your blood pressure, which is a response of the vagus nerve, which gets input from the upper neck. Number two, go for a 10-minute walk. Number one, it helps just to get outside and be away from everything, but it also helps and boost your endorphins, which are counteractive to our stress hormones, aka cortisol being the number one. Number two, or actually this is number three now, breathing deeply. So shallow breaths are known to help propagate the stress response. Deep breaths do the exact opposite, and they help stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps reduce our stress response again. Visualization is very good, guided imagery, those things like that. Eating a snack. So there's a huge connection between the gut and brain, or the gut-brain connection. The gut is actually the biggest part of our immune system that we know of currently. So slowing down, having a healthy snack, eating that mindfully can actually help reduce your stress. But also on the opposite side of that coin, if you are super stressed out, there's a number of people who would find themselves staring down, for example, an empty cookie jar. Being around plants. Yes, that's actually a real thing. There's been actually quite a bit of research on it. So if you're constantly feeling stressed and you don't have plants, maybe go pick a couple of them up. Stepping away from your screens. So uninterrupted computer use is actually associated with increased stress, loss of sleep, and depression. That was from the University of Gothenburg in Sweden. Here's a cool little trick, and you can play along right now if you want. This would either be considered, I've seen it both in yoga and in acupuncture, but if you apply pressure between your pointer finger and your middle finger, bump, right there. Nice little trick there. Another tip, turn off your phone. The world of social media is pretty crazy. Just turn off the phone. You'll actually probably see your blood pressure drop pretty significantly. Another thing you can do is put on some soothing music, such as classical music. It will actually help you slow down your heart rate, which will help lower your blood pressure. Treat yourself to one. Dark chocolate would be great, especially this time of year. There's those awesome little peppermint bark candies flying around everywhere. Another thing you could do if you don't want to turn off the smart technology, such as the phone or the iPad, is log on to an app that will help you with some deep breathing or some guided meditation. A great app is one called Headspace. Chewing gum. It actually helps you breathe better, which in turn will help relieve some of the anxiety, which ties into stress. Watch a viral video. Laughter can help increase your intake of oxygen-rich air, which stimulates your heart and lungs and muscles and increases your endorphins that are released by your brain, which in turn fight cortisol. Progressive muscle relaxation. So there's a ton out there on this, but that's basically where you start relaxing yourself from your toes up. Again, shut off your phone, smart device, computer. Seeing one of your best friends can actually help reduce your stress as well. Eat a banana or a potato. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, which rises during the time of stress. So some people find that eating a banana when they're feeling stressed out can help improve their energy and recovery. Yoga, or if you're into crafts, get out and do one of your favorite crafts. So I hope everybody found these little stress reducing tips helpful. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, make sure you shoot them over to us in a message and we'll do our best to get back to you. Have a great day, Kalispell.